Here I have OPPO Reno 5 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to get iOS Control Center on this device. So to do this, all you have to do is to just download the app Control Center iOS 14 from the Play Store. Then you have to open this app, grant all the permissions it requires to work. Watch some ads, of course, listen to some music, and now you can use this control center. For example, let's select its position here, but firstly some more ads. Please don't download this app never in your life, this world, I don't know what is it. So you can select its position, let's set it for example on the left. You can change its size, you can change its color here. You can select your background.
Pay through the checkout line with Google Pay. At the register, unlock your phone.
For example, let's set it to display our current wallpaper, and just like this you can use this control center like on the iOS. And here you have this control center. All the other features like on the iPhone device, like I can show you how it looks. You see? Unbelievable. You can customize some other features, I guess, in this app of your control center. Please don't show me this app again. I don't want. You have assistive touch, you can lock screen and notifications. You can change its size here. Okay, no size. Too much ad in my video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.